Good morning, friends, everyone. Today start Salesforce admin job profile responsibility. First, user and license management. Second, security and access control. Third, system administrations and supports. Fourth, configuration and optimizations. 5. Reports and dashboards. 6. Training and adoptions. 7. Process management and feedbacks. 8. Data hygiene. 9. System integrations. Very important topic and Salesforce admin job profile related. First topic, user license and management. Oversee all the aspect of the user administrations including the user setup, deactivations, role assignment, profile configurations, permission, and public group management. Second, security access control. Maintain comprehensive understanding of the Salesforce sharing and security-based practice role profile permission set OWD and sharing rules to safeguard data. Third, system administration and support. Provide day-to-day admin support, resolve technical issue, act the first responder to real-time system conflict and ensure the seamless system performance. Fourth, configuration optimization. Implement and refine the Salesforce configurations such as a flow, feeds, page, layout, records type, custom setting, reports, and dashboards. 5. Report and dashboards. Develop and maintain the report dashboards to meet business needs. Sorry. 6. Training and adoptions. Deliver training and technical support to end users. Sorry, friend. Thank you. Take care. Bye.